Hey there, Seahawks, it's Miss Adams, and in this video we're going to talk about solutions to systems of functions. And we've already done systems of equations when they were linear functions, but now we're going to look at functions that are not linear. Okay, so it says the solution is the ordered pair where the two functions touch, and then given the exponential function f of x equals 2 to the x, and the cubic function g of x equals x to the third minus 2x, find the positive x value where f of x equals g of x by completing the table below. So they gave me some x values. I'm going to plug in for x. So my first equation is 2 to the x. So I'm going to do 2 to the 0. 2 to the 0 power is 1. Then I'm going to use my other function, which is x to the third minus 2x. So I'm going to plug in 0 for x. So 0 to the third minus 2 times 0. That would give me 0. Okay, 1 and 0 do not match, so that's not the solution. Then I'm going to plug in 1 for x. So 2 to the first is 2. And then 2 to the third minus 2 times 1 would give me 1 minus 2, which gives me negative 1. If I plug in 2, it's 2 to the second is 4. And 2 to the third minus 2 times 2, 2 to the third is 8. Minus 2 times 2 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So my x for f of x and for g of x, my values match. So 2, 4 is a solution. Then I'm going to keep going to see if there's any other solutions. So 2 to the third is 8. And 3 to the third minus 2 times 3 is 27 minus 6, which is 21. And 2 to the fourth is 16. And then 4 to the third minus 2 times 4 would give me 64 minus 8, which is 56. So out of the x values that I use, the only solution is 2, 4. All right, so this one, it says, given the graphs of the absolute value function f of x equals 4 minus the absolute value of x, and the logarithmic function g of x equals log base 3 of x, find the coordinates where f of x equals g of x. So they gave me the two graphs, and it'd be really nice if they were on top of each other because then I could just see where they cross. But I'm going to look at, here's some of the points that are like good points for the absolute value function, and here's some of the good points for the logarithmic function, just meaning like they cross on the axes, kind of like on the grid. And I can kind of see that when x is 3, y is 1, and that is the same on both. So my solution is 3, 1. All right, this one, find the solution or solutions. So the first one is touching at one spot, and that ordered pair is 1, negative 2. Then the next one is touching at 2 spots, and the last one is not touching at all. So the last one's no solution. And the middle one, it's kind of hard to tell because they're not touching in the best spots, and also the graph is counting by 2's. But it looks like it's at about negative 2, 2, and about 3, 3. Okay, those are not like the exact. Hopefully when you get them, they'll be more exact, but wherever they're touching is where your solutions are. All right, that's it.